Hello everyone. In this part 5th of differential equations, we will discuss about homogeneous differential equations and their solutions. So let's start with the homogeneous function. A function fxy is said to be homogeneous function if fxy is a function and we are getting f lambda x lambda y is equals to lambda raised to power n fxy, then the function is said to be homogeneous function and n is said to be the degree of the homogeneous function and n is also this lambda is non-zero. So if we will take any function fxy is equals to 3x square plus 4y square, then what we are observing, if we will find out f lambda x lambda y, then the resultant will be lambda raised to power n fxy, and it is showing that this is the homogeneous function of degree 2. Now, homogeneous differential equation. A differential equation is said to be homogeneous if it is of the form of dy by dx fxy upon gxy or dx by dy is equals to fxy upon gxy, where both fxy and gxy are homogeneous functions of same degree n. Look at this thing. We have, this is the example, dy by dx is equals to x plus 2y upon x minus y. Now let's start to solve some questions in which we have to find out the general solution. In next video, we will solve the homogeneous differential equations in which we have to find out the particular solutions. So we have to find out the general solution of this homogeneous differential equation x dy by dx minus 3y is equals to 2ax. It means x dy by dx is equals to 2ax plus 3y. It means dy by dx is equals to 2a plus 3y upon x. Divide whole equation by x. Now what we have to do, because this is of the form y upon x, so we will say let y upon x is equals to v. It implies that y is equals to vx. It means dy by dx differentiate with respect to x, v plus x dv over dx. Now substitute this value in this equation number 1. It means v plus x dv over dx is equals to 2a plus 3v. It means we have x dv over dx is equals to 2a plus 2v. It means we have dv upon a plus v is equals to, what this become, 2 upon x dx. Now we will do the integration. Once we will do the integration, what we will get, log a plus v is equals to 2 log x, and this is plus c. It means log a plus v minus log x square is equals to c. It means log m minus log n means log a plus v upon x square is equals to c. It means a plus v upon x square is equals to e raised to power c. We know very well, when this log will shift there, then the other term will become the power of exponential. Now if we will remove the modulus sign, it means a plus v upon x square is equals to plus minus e raised to power c. Now consider this is a new constant. It means a plus v upon x square is equals to a, where a is equals to plus minus e raised to power c. It means we have, here I am writing a plus v upon x square is equals to a. It means a plus v is equals to ax square. Substitute the value of v. It means a plus y upon x is equals to ax square, and this is the solution of this differential equation. Now let's start with the solution of question number 2. Show that the differential equation, this one is the homogeneous, and solve it. Now first of all, we have the equation dy by dx is equals to y square upon xy minus x square. So first of all we will take x square common from the denominator. It means this become y square upon x square, and this is y upon x minus 1. Now we can write down y upon x whole square upon y upon x minus 1. Now this is the equation number 1. First of all, we will take this function fxy is equals to y upon x whole square upon y upon x minus 1. Now we will put f lambda x lambda y. Once we will put this thing, this become lambda y upon lambda x whole square upon lambda y upon lambda x minus 1, and we will solve this thing. Then we will get y upon x whole square upon y upon x minus 1, and this become fxy. Therefore we can say given equation is the homogeneous differential equation. Given equation is the homogeneous differential equation. Now we have to solve this thing, homogeneous differential equation. To solve this thing, what we are observing, we are getting the format of y upon x. So we will say let y upon x is equals to v. It implies that y is equals to vx. It means dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv over dx. Now from equation 1 we are observing we will get dy by dx is equals to v square upon v minus 1. Now substitute the value of dy by dx. It means v plus x dv over dx is equals to v square upon v minus 1. It implies that x dv over dx is equals to v square upon v minus 1 minus v. It means x dv over dx is equals to, taking the LCM, v minus 1 v square minus v, and this is v square minus v square and plus v. It means x dv over dx is equals to v plus v minus 1. Now it implies that v minus 1 upon v dv is equals to dx over x. On integration, it means we will get 1 minus 1 upon v dv is equals to integration of dx over x. Integration of 1 is v, integration of this is log v, and integration of dx by x log x, and this is plus c. It means v minus log v plus log x, because if this term will shift there, this become negative, and taking minus common, this become log x, and this is c. It means v means y upon x minus log m into n. It means this become v into x. It means log y upon x into x, and this is equals to c. It means y upon x minus log v log y is equals to c, and this is the solution of this differential equation. So in this way we have to solve the equations. Now let's start with the solution of question number 3rd. In question number 3rd we have to solve the given differential equation, which is of the form 2x square dy by dx minus 2xy plus y square is equals to 0. First of all, 2x square dy by dx is equals to 2xy plus y square. Now, minus y square. It means dy by dx is equals to 2xy minus y square upon 2x square. Now, dy by dx is equals to, make it separate. It means this become y upon x minus 1 y upon x whole square, and this is 1 upon 2. Now this is the first equation. Let y upon x is equals to v, it implies that y is equals to vx. It means dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv over dx. Now from equation 1, what we are observing from equation 1, v plus x dv over dx is equals to v minus v square upon 2, because y upon x is equals to v. It means x dv over dx is equals to v minus v square upon 2 minus v. It means x dv over dx is equals to we cancel out minus v square upon 2. It means this become dv upon v square is equals to minus 1 upon 2 dx over x. It means this is dv upon v square. Shift this 2 here. It means this is 2. This is minus integration of dx over x. Now it means this become 2 into v raised to power minus 2 integration of dv is equals to minus dx over x. Now integration of v raised to power minus 2 means minus 2 plus 1. It means this become v raised to power minus 1. It means 2 into v raised to power minus 1 upon minus 1, and this is equals to minus log x plus c. It means this become 2 upon, this is 2 upon v, this is the minus sign, and this is plus log x is equals to c. It means this become log x minus 2, v means y upon x, this is 2x upon y is equals to c, and this is the required answer for this question. On the basis of this thing, solve other questions. Once you will do the practice, this solution of homogeneous differential equation is quite easy and important also. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.